Hello guys, today we're gonna make banana bread.
Yes.
So this is the banana. Cut it and then mash. We need 3 bananas.
3 bananas. 3 bananas. Can I have a marshal? Because it.
And now we're gonna mix the mashed bananas.
Mashed bananas and this.
3 pieces of bananas. And then the vanilla. This is the vanilla.
We're going to mix them both together in the big bowl.
Vanilla.
So pour it in like that.
And then the egg.
And the egg.
2 pieces of egg.
Just 2 eggs.
And then mix them together.
And mix them.
Okay. And also the butter. This.
We're going to mix all of those ingredients together.
And then the dry ingredients too.
So the dry ingredients go with the other dry ingredients. And the wet ingredients
That's
go
2
with
flour,
the other,
2 cups of flour, and then
with the other wet ingredients.
little bit of salt, baking soda 1 teaspoon, and cinnamon 1/2 teaspoon, and then the sugar, and we mix that. And I want to put also some little bit of chocolate.
So you see that right now I'm mixing it. And
Mix this
that
dry
I'm mixing
ingredients
it
here.
like this. But mommy is mixing it like this. Mine has egg in it and mommy's has no egg.
Okay, now we're gonna mix the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. Okay, get all this stuff, anak. Get all the bananas. Get all the bananas. Scrape it from the top going down. From the top going down. Scrape it all. Okay. We mix butter, egg, banana mix, vanilla together, and then the flour, sugar, baking soda, and salt, and cinnamon. And then mixing now. Do you like banana bread?
I love banana bread.
Okay. Mix, mix, mix. You can do like this too. You hold the container. Wait, anak. So you need to get all, scrape all. Keep mixing. You can do it. Have a strong muscle. Okay, good. More. Mix it properly. Okay, here.
So now we're gonna put it in this tray where we
Okay.
put
Now
make
we're
our
gonna
banana
put it
bread.
here.
So I'm gonna hold it there, and my mom is gonna put it.
Okay.
We need to put it there.
Yeah, do like that. Yeah. Now we're gonna put it onto the oven. The oven
Yeah.
is 350 degrees. Yeah. For an hour. Okay. Yeah, so the banana bread is ready here. And it's here. Over here. It's ready now. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe for more videos. We try to upload once a month with my daughter. And subscribe please. Thank you so much. Bye bye.